Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do weekly love reading for Aquarius air sign for the month of November, and this is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see your messages, Aquarius. And your first card for the reading is King of Cups. Ten of Wands. Wheel of Fortune. I think you have strong emotions for your person. King of Cups is here and you want to offer the cup of love to your person. And Ten of Wands for, I think you are feeling burden in this connection. Regarding this connection, you are feeling overburdened because the one person who put a lot of effort in this connection is you. Yeah. And Wheel of Fortune, definitely things are turning in your favor, Aquarius. It could be you, definitely. You have strong emotions. You only do the work in the relationship. Definitely now it's your turn. Definitely things are turning in your favor. Wheel of Fortune is here. Yeah. You or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Water sign, Aries, Leo, Sag. Let's see some more. Energy could be vice versa because this is general reading. Justice, Five of Swords, Death. Okay. Justice, you or your person could be Libra, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, air sign. Five of Swords and Death. Definitely one person. I think one person in this connection may be undergoing some transformation. Death, you or your person could be Scorpio also. Definitely there is some transformation going. One of the person in this connection. And Five of Swords. Definitely there are some disagreements between both of you. Five of Swords. For some there is no contact. For some there is less contact between both of you. One person in this connection asking second chance. Libra, Justice, some communication also. Yeah, one person asking second chance. It could be you or your person. Energy could be vice versa depending upon your situation. Yeah, but there are some disagreements though. But I think Aquarius, you are feeling overburdened. Your person may be in and out your life, but you have strong emotions for your person. Definitely there are some disagreements. One person undergoing some transformation. There is one person asking second chance. It could be you or your person. Let's see some more. Knight of Pentacles, the Star, Chariot. Wow. I think you're still hoping for this connection, or your person still hoping for this connection. The Star is here. I think you are feeling, you are seeing some hope in this connection. Still you are feeling overburdened. Still you are doing all the work. Still you are hoping for this connection. The Star, you or your person could be Aquarius also. The Chariot, Cancer, and Knight of Pentacles. Definitely there is slow moving energy in this connection. One person is very slow but stable. Chariot, definitely I think one person in this connection want to take this relationship to next level. It could be you or your person. At least there is some movement. Chariot is also slow moving energy. Knight of Pentacles and Chariot. Right now your connection is in very slow moving, not fast moving energy. I think you're both still hoping for this connection. The Star card is here. Eight of Wands, Queen of Swords, Ten of Swords. Yeah. Lot of air energy. You or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or fire energy, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Yeah. So one person in this connection is very straightforward and honest. Queen of Swords and Ten of Swords. Some cycles are going to be end between both of you, and some new cycles are going to be begin for some. For some cycles are going to be end. And Eight of Wands. Definitely you both will communicate. There is some communication is coming in your way. Aquarius, definitely. Eight of Wands. I think some positive change is also coming in your way. It is coming very fastly because Wheel of Fortune with Eight of Wands. Definitely some positive change is coming. I think your person, you maybe communicate back and forthly in near future. Definitely there will be a communication. Queen of Swords. One person is very straightforward and very honest in this connection. I think it could be you. You have clarity and you want clarity from your person, because Queen of Swords means you deserve love. If they doesn't offer what you deserve, you cut them off definitely. So 10 of swords, some cycles ending, some new cycles are begin. 10 of swords and sometimes means rebirth. Definitely one of the person in this connection want rebirth in this connection. So let's see your person current feelings and the near future action. Then we will see, then we will get more clarity. So your person near future actions, current feelings first. Aquarius, your person current feelings towards you. Later we see actions. Yeah. Emperor, their feelings. 5 of cups. 8 of pentacles. Yeah. They want to offer stability. They want to be honest this time with you. In past they couldn't maybe. Definitely they want to offer stability and commitment to this connection because the emperor is honest. And 5 of cups, definitely they are feeling, for some there is separation between both of you. 5 of cups, definitely your person feeling very very sad for the separation happened between both of you. They are very very sad. And 8 of pentacles, definitely for some your person may be concentrating on their career right now. Very few of, for some definitely your person want to work on this relationship. 8 of pentacles, it is very very slow energy but still it is stable offer. Definitely this time they want to work on this relationship. 8 of pentacles, because they miss you. If you are in separation, they miss you madly, and definitely they want to work on this relationship. So let's see their near future actions towards you, Aquarius. Seven of cups, the Hanged Man, 8 of swords. Ooh, lot of air energy. You are your person Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or water energy, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Yeah, your person right now stuck. They are right now stuck because the Hanged Man with 8 of swords. Definitely they're willing to do work on this relationship, but they are not, because they are stuck right now. They are fantasizing about you a lot. It is not about options. I think they are fantasizing about you a lot because 5 of cups is here. They're feeling very very sad for the separation. Definitely they are fantasizing about you a lot and they are stuck. Definitely they are thinking about you a lot and they are stuck on you also. 8 of swords with Hanged Man, definitely they are spiritually awakening about this connection. Right now they are stuck. In near future definitely you will get some communication from your person, and definitely they are willing to work on this relationship, but it will take time because right now they are stuck. Because 8 of swords with Hanged Man, definitely they are stuck right now. For some there is no contact, for some there is less contact between both of you. Yeah, your person wants second chance and they are very sad for the separation. They want to work on this relationship but they are stuck. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed in near future. Energy could be vice versa. Take what resonate and leave the rest. 9 of Pentacles, the World. Okay, Queen of Swords, the Death. Yeah, one person undergoing some transformation. 2 times the Death card is here. You or your person could be Scorpio. Highly chances. So definitely I think your person may be undergoing some transformation, spiritual awakening. That's why they are stuck right now. And this could be long distance relationship. The world, you both live in different cities, different countries and different states. Definitely I think Aquarius, you are working on yourself. 9 of Pentacles, you stand by your power. Definitely you are working on your career and finances. You are very straightforward in this connection, and some cycles are going to be, and some new beginnings. Definitely those who are waiting for new beginnings, definitely there is a chance for new beginnings, but it will take time because your person stuck right now. They are undergoing some spiritual awakening. After spiritually awakening, they will come towards you. They want to work on this relationship because they are feeling very very sad for the separation. So let's see your overall energy for the week, Aquarius. Knight of Wands, 9 of Wands, and Ace of Wands. Lot of fire energy. You or your person could be Aries, Leo, Sag. Yeah, definitely Wands, fire energy. Knight of Wands, you are very very passionate about your person. And 9 of Wands, I think you are guarded. You are guarded up right now. You are doing your work. And Ace of Wands, definitely you do want also this new beginning, but you are doing your work. You are working on yourself, Aquarius, because Wheel of Fortune is here. Definitely you have strong emotions, still you are working on yourself. So let's see your person overall energy for the week. 10 of Pentacles, 6 of Cups and 2 of Cups. Wow. Page of Pentacles. Definitely communication. They want to communicate you and they love you so much. 2 of Cups is here and 6 of Cups. They want reconciliation with you, and 10 of Pentacles. Already the Emperor is here. I already told you they want to offer stability to this connection. Yes, they want to offer stability and commitment to this connection, but it will take time. After the transformation, they will come towards you and offer this. Definitely they want reconciliation. You both have strong soulmate and past life connection with each other, and your person also feeling this way. So definitely they want to offer long-term commitment. Yeah, so this is the reading for you, Aquarius. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys, and click the bell icon, then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for the support. Bye.